right? So I'm going to do this circle, see? And then walk. See?
Wow, look at the seaplane flying.
And now we're going to do the
Wow,
sky.
I haven't seen that guy fly.
Yeah.
Wow. You go show Daddy?
That guy.
That guy? That pilot?
Yeah.
You go show Daddy your seaplane?
So now we can do this and watch this. Brown. Do a circle. Do this. Wow. That's what.
Beautiful seaplane, Jasper.
Jasper, it can't land up here, okay? Yeah. No.
Can it just stay right there, Kiran, for now?
No. I'm
Jasper, fly it over here. Fly it over here. Land it over here. Fly it over here. You can make the airport right here. Good flying, good parking. Good landing, Jasper.
We play.
Seaplane. What do you want, baby? Choo-choo train? Here you go.
Uh-oh.
Careful, it's gonna fall down. Don't pull it. Here, I'll do it for you. Here, ready? There you go. You got it?
Daddy, how do you spell pod?
What's the first letter you think?
P.
That's it. You know how to make a P? That's perfect. What's next?
R.
Close. Not quite R. It doesn't have that R, but it's ah. So what do you think?
I.
O.
O.
Yeah, the O is tricky because it can make us an ah sound too. So make an O right after pod, right after the P. Nice. And then what's the last one? D. Pod.
D.
That's it, buddy.
E. Jasper, you can't.
Oh, it's okay, buddy. Thank you. Just leave these here, hon. Kiran's making a nice picture, and he just put Pod's name on it.
Is that the word?
Yep, Pod. That's what his name is, P-O-D. Is that a picture of you, hon?
Yes.
I love that picture of you. And is that your tree? Oh, Kiko, your tree's beautiful. Pod, do you like it? What do you think, Poddy Pod?
Will you give this to
Hey,
he's
hon.
looking at the picture.
I know, he's looking right at it.
We have Kiran give that to GB.
Here you go. Kiko, here's for GB. There he goes. Off to GB's cage. Let's go see GB. Hi, GB. Hi. Ooh, yum. Got your cuke?
Daddy,
What?
could you
Hi.
get me
Little
that
kiss.
blue pen?
Mwah.
The same blue pen that I had in my name for my chair today?
The same blue pen. Oh, Mommy's got it. This drawing Kiran made is amazing. It's so good. Here, Kiko, here's your pen. Okay, Jasper, could you go like this? Blow a kiss, Daddy? Like this? Mwah.
Where is it?
Mwah.